Today I'm going to show you how to print an email with small or big font size in Outlook. So I'm starting by opening the Microsoft Outlook app on my computer and logging into my account so all my emails can load in. Once everything is loaded and I can see my inbox, I'm ready to move forward with adjusting the print settings for any email I want to print. Now that my emails are loaded, I'm heading over to the inbox pane on the left side of the screen. This is where all my emails and email folders are located. From here, I'm looking through the list to find the specific email I want to print with a custom font size. Once I spot it, I'm going to double click on that email to open it in a new window. This step is important because I need the email fully opened before I can access the print settings. Alright, so the email is now open in front of me. At this point, I'm looking up at the top part of the screen where all the menus and tools are located. From here, I'm clicking on the File tab. This opens up a new menu with several options related to managing the email. Once that menu appears, I'm clicking on Print. And now the print menu expands, showing me more options for how I want to print this email. What I need to do next is click on Print Options. This is where I can really customize how the email will look when it's printed. Now a print window appears on my screen. This window gives me control over the layout and formatting of the printed email. From here, I'm looking for the Page Setup button and clicking on it. This button opens up even more detailed settings that let me adjust things like margins, paper size, and most importantly for this tutorial, the font settings. So now I'm inside the Page Setup window. This is where I can make all the changes I need. I'm looking for the font section, which should be clearly labeled somewhere in this window. Once I find it, I'll see two fields here, one for title and one for fields. Each of these controls the font size for different parts of the email when it's printed. For each text section, there's a fonts button that I can click on, so I'm going to click the fonts button for the title first. This opens up a font customization window where I can change the font style, and the size. If I want the title to print with a smaller or bigger font size, I simply adjust the size setting based on my preference. Once I'm happy with that, I'll do the same thing for the fields section by clicking its fonts button and adjusting the size there as well. After I've customized both the title and fields to the font sizes I want, I'm just going to click OK to apply those changes, and then I'll click OK again on the page setup window to close it and return to the main print menu. From here, I can go ahead and click print to send the email to my printer with the custom font sizes I just set up. And that's it. I've successfully adjusted the font size for printing an email in Outlook, so now it will print exactly how I want it to look. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.